Oh, hey there. Welcome back to Apple Seeds. I've been reading all morning and I'm starving. Let's go see what we have in the garden. Ooh, look at these carrots. Carrots are high in beta carotene, which helps maintain eye health and improve eyesight. I can see how that would be important for reading. Whew, look at these. Actually, we have a recipe for a really refreshing smoothie that calls for carrots. I think that's what we're gonna make. Let's get one more and then go back to the kitchen. That was weird. Okay, moving on. Let's get started. So for our smoothie today, we're gonna use our mango. You can substitute frozen peaches if you don't have mango. And then we're also gonna use bananas for a little bit of creaminess. What did the orange say to the banana? You look like you're not peeling well. I love puns. So for our carrots, I actually had my kitchen elf steam some for us earlier today. She steamed them for about 10 minutes. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of liquid to help it blend. So we're gonna do 1.5 cups of water and then a little bit of orange juice for a little extra tang. Make sure the lid's on tight and blend until it's smooth. Whew, it's that easy. Let's go drink this in the sun. I can't wait to drink this. It's so good, you guys. I know carrots in a smoothie sounds a little weird, and honestly, the first time that I had it, I thought it was going to be weird, but it's so good. You taste the mango and the orange so strongly. It's so refreshing. You've got to try it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.